Looking for the best X570 motherboards? These boards deliver PCIe 4.0, strong VRMs, and advanced cooling to maximize your AMD Ryzen build. Starting at number 1, ASUS ROG Crosshair 8. Hero X570. The ASUS ROG Crosshair 8. Hero X570 ATX. Motherboard is a high-performance motherboard designed for AMD Ryzen 2nd and 3rd gen processors. It features PCIe 4.0 support, dual M2 and SATA storage options, integrated 2.5 GB LAN, USB 3.2 ports, and Aura Sync RGB lighting. With a comprehensive thermal design, robust power delivery, and DIY-friendly features like a pre-mounted I/O shield and BIOS flashback, it delivers exceptional performance, connectivity, and durability for gaming and high-end computing builds. Number 2, Gigabyte X570. The Gigabyte X570. AORUS Pro Wi-Fi is a compact mini ITX AMD X570 motherboard built for powerful small form factor Ryzen systems. It supports 2nd and 3rd gen AMD Ryzen processors with PCIe 4.0, features a direct 8-phase digital VRM and advanced thermal design for stable performance, and offers dual ultra-fast NVMe PCIe 4.0 3.0M 2 slots. Intel Wi-Fi 6. Intel GBE LAN, USB 3.1 3.2, Gen 2, and RGB Fusion 2.0 lighting. With Realtek ALC1220VB audio and versatile display outputs, it's a feature-rich choice for compact gaming and productivity builds. Number 3, MSI Mag X570. The MSI Mag X570 Tomahawk Wi-Fi is a feature-rich ATX AMD X570 motherboard that supports 2nd and 3rd gen AMD Ryzen processors with DDR4 memory up to 4600 MHz and PCIe 4.0 for fast graphics and storage. It includes Wi-Fi 6 and 2.5 GB LAN for high-speed connectivity, dual PCIe 4.0 M2 slots with M2 Shield Frozer for NVMe SSD cooling, and advanced Frozer heatsink design for thermal performance. With robust power delivery, extended heat sinks, USB 3.2 GN2 ports, immersive audio boost, and customizable RGB via Mystic Light, it's a strong choice for gamers and performance builds. Number 4, Gigabyte X570 AORUS Elite. The Gigabyte X570 AORUS Elite is a solid ATX AMD X570 motherboard that supports 2nd, 3rd, and 5000 series Ryzen processors with PCIe 4.0 for next-gen graphics and storage performance. It features dual ultra-fast NVMe PCIe 4.0 3.0M, 2 slots with thermal guard, a robust 12+2 phase digital VRM with Dr. MOS, and extended heat sinks for stable power delivery, 4 DDR4 DM slots supporting up to 128 GB, Intel Gigabit LAN, Realtek ALC1200 audio, front panel USB-C support, and RGB Fusion 2.0 lighting, making it a great choice for gaming and high-performance builds on a budget. Number 5, Gigabyte X570 AORUS Master. The Gigabyte X570 AORUS Master is a premium AMD X570 ATX motherboard built for high-end Ryzen systems, offering a direct 14-phase Infineon digital VRM with advanced thermal solutions like a fins array heatsink and direct touch heat pipe for stable power delivery and cooling. It supports Ryzen 2nd 5000 series processors, up to 128 GB DDR4 RAM, and triple ultra-fast PCIe 4.0 3.x4M 2 slots with thermal guards. Connectivity includes Intel Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, Bluetooth 5, dual LAN 2.5 GBE plus gigabit, front and rear USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, and RGB Fusion 2.0 lighting. The board also features high-end audio with Realtek ALC1220VB and ESS Sabre 9118 DAC, Smart Fan 5, integrated I/O shield, and BIOS flash tools for enthusiasts and gamers seeking top performance and durability.